2025 is ahead of us, and with it comes a unique opportunity, the chance to transform our lives and the world around us. It's not just about achieving personal or professional goals, but contributing to something bigger. To grow, learn, become the best version of yourself, and in doing so impact others' lives in a profound and true way. In this video we will explore how, in 2025, you can embrace the journey of personal growth, service to others, and inner transformation. Prepare for a year of powerful actions, conscious decisions, and impact that goes beyond you. 1. Personal growth goal: become more than you are today. In 2025, make personal growth a priority. The fundamental question that should guide this goal is, who do I need to become in order to achieve my goals? The answer is in the commitment to continuous learning and the development of skills that add value to your life and the lives of those around you. Start by identifying areas where you want to improve. It can be your communication, your leadership ability, or even learn something completely new, such as a language or technical skill. Remember, success is not something you pursue, but something you attract to the person you become. Invest time daily to read books, listen to lectures, or participate in courses that expand your mind. Set a clear goal, such as reading one book per month or dedicating 30 minutes per day to learning. Keep in mind that small, consistent actions generate big changes over time. Also, practice self-assessment regularly. Ask yourself, am I closer to being the person I want to be than I was yesterday? This reflection not only keeps you on track, but also helps adjust your strategies as needed. Another essential tip is to surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow. Your environment has a profound impact on your development. As Rohn said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose these people wisely and absorb the lessons they offer. A personal growth goal is about investing in yourself. The more you grow, the greater your ability to contribute to the world around you. After all, personal growth is the foundation for achieving any other goal in your life. 2. Health and wellness goal: invest in your greatest asset. Your health is the foundation for all other achievements. In 2025, set clear goals to improve your physical, mental, and emotional condition. After all, how can you enjoy success if you don't have the energy, drive, or balance to live it to the fullest? Start by establishing a routine to take care of your body. It doesn't have to be extreme. Consistency is more important than intensity. Choose physical activities that you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, dancing, or practicing yoga. Set an achievable goal, such as exercising 30 minutes a day 5 times a week. Nutrition is another essential pillar. Make a habit of making conscious food choices. Include more fresh foods, avoid overeating, and stay hydrated. Small changes, such as reducing your sugar intake or adding more vegetables to your meals, can have a significant impact on your health over time. Don't forget about your mental and emotional health. In a fast-paced world, stress is a common enemy. Make time for activities that provide relaxation and pleasure, such as meditating, reading, or simply spending time with loved ones. Practice gratitude daily to keep your focus on the positive things in life. Finally, schedule regular medical checkups. Prevention is always better than cure, and taking care of your body is an act of self-love. Rohn said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." Make 2025 the year you make your health a non-negotiable priority, and you'll see how that will reflect in every other area of your life. 3. Financial goal: build your freedom. Set clear financial goals to take control of your finances and create the foundation for a life of stability and freedom. After all, money is not the end goal, but a tool that can provide you with choices and opportunities. The first step is to develop a clear vision of where you are and where you want to go financially. Ask yourself, how much money do I want to save, invest, or earn this year? Be specific and set numbers and deadlines. For example, I want to save 20% of my monthly income, or I want to generate X amount of passive income by December. Next, create a realistic budget. Track your spending and learn to distinguish between what you want and what you really need. Small changes, such as cutting unnecessary expenses or avoiding impulse purchases, can free up resources to invest in what really matters. Invest in your financial education. Learn about investing, wealth building, and money management. As Rohn said, "Profits make you live better. Skills make you live forever." Financial literacy is a skill that will continue to bear fruit throughout your life. Another important step is to diversify your sources of income. Consider exploring opportunities such as freelancing, entrepreneurship, or investments that generate passive returns. Relying on a single source of income is risky, and diversifying increases your financial security. Set aside time to reflect on your financial goals regularly. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Having a plan is essential, but flexibility is also important to deal with unexpected changes. In 2025, make your money your ally, not your worry. Control your finances and, with it, control your freedom of choice and quality of life. 4. Relationship goal: strengthen your connections. Set a goal to cultivate meaningful relationships and strengthen your bonds with the people who truly matter in your life. After all, as Jim Rohn said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This shows that our connections have a direct impact on who we are and who we can become. Start by identifying the relationships that deserve more attention. Maybe you want to spend more time with your family, deepen friendships, or build new bonds with people who share your values and goals. Set practical actions for each of these groups, such as a weekly family dinner, regular check-ins with friends, or participating in events or communities that align with your interests. Make a point of listening more and judging less. Deep, authentic conversations have the power to transform even the simplest relationships. Show genuine interest in the people around you, ask about their lives, dreams, and challenges, and be present in body and mind. Don't underestimate the power of gratitude in relationships. Show appreciation for those who contribute to your life in a positive way. Small gestures, such as a thank you note or an unexpected act of kindness, can strengthen bonds in surprising ways. Also remember that healthy relationships depend on clear boundaries. Value your own time and energy, and avoid engaging in relationships that bring more harm than good. Prioritize quality over quantity. Finally, strive to be the person you want to be around. Spread positivity, encourage growth, and offer support whenever possible. As Jim Rohn emphasized, relationships are the foundation of all wealth. In 2025, invest in them as you would any other great asset. 5. Giving goal: make a difference. Make a commitment to give to something bigger than yourself. Giving goes beyond donating money, it's about impacting lives, sharing talents, and leaving a legacy. As Jim Rohn said, only through service to others can we achieve true greatness. The first step is to identify how you can give authentically. Ask yourself, what skills, knowledge, or resources do I have that can help others? Maybe you're great at teaching, have time to volunteer, or can financially support causes you believe in. Set an action plan. If your goal is to help your local community, find organizations or initiatives that need volunteers. If you'd rather give globally, research causes that align with your values, such as sustainability, education, or fighting hunger. Remember, small actions can make a big impact. Another powerful way to give is to mentor or inspire others. You can help young professionals, share your learnings on social media, or even create something tangible like a book, course, or project that will benefit others. Your experience is valuable, and sharing it is a way to contribute. Also remember that your contribution doesn't always have to be visible or grand. A smile, a kind gesture, or listening to someone in need can have a profound impact on someone else's life. The key is to act with empathy and intention. By setting this goal, you're not only changing the world around you, you're changing yourself. As Jim Rohn pointed out, giving is better than receiving because giving begins the process of receiving. So make 2025 the year you become a positive force for good. 6. Personal growth goal: become who you want to be. In 2025, the focus should be on your own growth. Personal development is not a straight line, but a continuous journey of learning and self-discovery. The goal is to become the best version of yourself, both professionally and personally. As Albert Einstein said, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you have to keep moving. The first step in this process is introspection. Ask yourself, who do I want to be by the end of 2025? What qualities or skills do I need to develop to get there? Maybe you want to be more disciplined, more empathetic, or improve your emotional intelligence. This could involve, for example, improving your daily habits, learning new skills, or even overcoming fears and limitations. Setting clear, measurable goals for this growth is essential. If you want to improve your communication skills, look for resources such as courses, books, or practice groups. If your goal is to improve your emotional control, you may want to invest in mindfulness or therapy. The important thing is to make sure that your goals are specific and achievable throughout the year. Another key point is self-compassion. Personal growth is a journey, and everyone goes through ups and downs. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Remember that each step towards your goal is progress, and you are on the right track. With this focus on personal growth, You will create a solid foundation to achieve your other goals for the year, while also becoming someone who inspires and motivates others along the way.